finding a rare sneaker at the Nike factory store or the Nike outlet store? I don't think so. But wait. Well, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for dropping by and thank you for watching. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And today's is the one that we grab on Nike factory store and pick up one of also in the Nike outlet store. The one that I grabbed in the Nike outlet store is somewhat just like a surprise. I would say I was surprised. What are these? I didn't know what they are. I saw them like, what is this? I'm gonna take them out. I check them out, and here we go. Boom. So this one is the Nike Dunk High Premium SB, and they call this the concept car. According to StockX, they called it the concept car, and kind of different, huh? What do you think? Ooh, wow, nice cushioning. This is the one that I like most. All of the high top sneakers, I would love to have them a cushioning on heel. I would love to have a lot of cushioning around here. But anyway, this kind of something different. Looking into all over the toe box, middle side, lateral side, and the back with just the simple shoes and something different kind of color on the outsole, and also the Nike SB logo right there with a white midsole. And also inside is the Nike SB Zoom Air. Printing all over, and this one is kinda something different. It's not perfectly printed the same. As you can see, the toe box, it's different. They are not the same print all over. Same goes all around. You can see there. It's not the same printing. It's just they slap the printing that. But anyway, it is nice color. What do they call it? Concept car. What surprised me is this one is rare. I would say rare sneaker. I would say a rare sneaker. Why? Because when I'm looking into StockX, this one was released December 13, 2014, and it's already 2020. You can see right there. Check that out. 12, 13, 2020, and the retail on this one is 120. Size, this one is 9.5, and they were selling somewhere 80, lowest 80, and selling high to 110s. And how much did I get them for? I got them $79.99 with the additional 20 and additional 10% off. So how much did I get them for? So I picked them up for $58. So $58 for the Nike SB, and the retail is $120. That is the one thing that I was surprised. I saw them, check them out. When is the release date? It was 2014 and it's already 2020. So talk to the manager, because the one working the manager is working at night when I was there. So how come do you have these on returns and they were released 2014? What happened? You can't see them on the website. It's not on the website. Like, so I was kind of surprised. Why do you have, I asked the manager, why do you have this released on 2014, you have this on February 2020 on the hash wall or the clearance wall? So she said, I don't know why do they have those. So she said, I hope it was my size, and then I would take them if it was my size. But anyway, I'm surprised to have this kind of pair of sneaker that was released 2014 and sitting, and they were on clearance wall and it's already 2020. So surprise, and a rare sneaker. And also Nike SB is making comeback on this year and last year 2019, and most of this year. So I was hoping, even though I picked them up for 58 and they don't have the top cover, I would sell them in the retail. So it's not my size, so it will be on resale. So what do you think on this one? Huh? Would you wear them and would you cop them? If I haven't done my research, I would pass on them. But alright, moving on. So those one, I picked them up in the factory store. And this one, got them on the Nike outlet store. We got the Nike Jordan Jumpman on the cover, top on the cover with just the basic one all over. And there you go. And we got the Air Jordan 14 Retro SE. Yep, you can see on the video right now. And boom, nice, still clean, crisp. Boom. Yeah. Boom. Yep, I've got them. And the retail on this one is 200, as you can see. Pick them up 139. So I don't have Jordan 14 yet in my collection. And I would say I would like to have those yellow ones, but this one is not bad at all to have them in that collection. Jordan 14 is like the classic Jordan 14, but the main thing that they had the different one is this one. Some kind of wool or something, and the other side is different, as you can see. And the basic one that they put on, the Ferrari thing going on here, and also here, and also on this side. Just the classic Jordan 14, right? I would say I would still cop them, and I did bought them 139 with the discount, so dropping the price. That's why I cop them. And the main thing why I cop them is grab my size. Also why I got them is my size is like getting sold out with the 10 and a half. I was hoping I could wait them somewhere 99, but this is one of the case that might not go. That's why I picked them up on that price with my discount. So if it might gonna drop the price, maybe not, I'm still happy. Why? I went to a different state, and the Tennessee, particularly Nashville somewhere, and to my surprise they are a big, it's also a huge state. And to my surprise, three store Nike store, they don't have any Jordans, like generic Jordans, like that. Even they don't even have those 312s. They all 312s. They don't have those. They don't even have the 270s. And one thing more, they don't have Air Jordan Retro. The only thing I found Jordan Retro is one return, and I passed them because they are still retail, and I don't like the Jordan one. But this one, in my state, we have a lot of Air Jordan Retro. So I was thinking, every time I go in Jordan in my area, we still have a lot. But one time, sometime, they are all gone, just quickly gone. So in my conclusion, some reseller are traveling. I know already the fact some are already traveling. Way back before I started this sneaker, I already saw YouTube that the one who owns the sneaker museum, something like that, the one who sold Air Mags 100,000 or something, 500,000, just the old Air Mags. He owned that one, and he is the one who travel around the state to purchase our Jordan Retro. And I already know the fact that someone will be traveling and buying a lot of shoes in different states. That's why when I was in Tennessee, I didn't see any Jordan Retro. So that's why now I'm trying to change the game in my sneaker game, reselling game. Now I will try to buy Air Jordan Retro in my area, the good size that I could resell. Even though they are still high for now, maybe I could ask for a discount when they drop the price. But the main thing is I grab me some size before they gone sold out, before someone other reseller who is traveling and taking them before it's gone. And by the time then, I could still ask to request a refund or price match was going on sale. So since I don't have it on my size, 10 and a half, and it is going like sold out on my sides, get them now before they're gone and someone from a travelers will pick them. And maybe if they'll drop the price, I could still ask for a discount. Anyway, with that being said, with this Jordan 14 Retro SE Ferrari colorway, what do you think on this one, huh? Would you cap them on that price, 139, or wait it out for 109 or 99 and they're gone when you find them? But anyway, which one is best pickup? And this one, the Nike SB High. It was released in 2014. That has been now, I don't know why they are in the outlet, Nike Factory Store. And oh no, Nike Factory Store, yeah. And this one, a Nike Outlet Store, the Jordan 14 Retro SE, and the Ferrari colorway. Which one is the best? I would love to hear your thought. Please leave a comment down below. And that would be all for today. I hope you like this video. Please leave a comment down below. Please subscribe if you haven't. As always, Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.